Play along with a Henry Paul band so long. I'm going to be using, again, the tweed, and I'm going to have the tube screamer on. I might switch onto one of my distortion pedals, maybe like the Highway 41 from Missing Link, the Dickie Betts pedal. I'll show you how clear it sounds. I'll go through the different too. Here we go. We're trying it now with a pedal. Let's go to the end again, and I'm going to try it with the Dickie Betts Highway 41 pedal. So you like it? There we go. Highway 41 pedal on. If you look at by the missing link, it's Dicky Betts tribute player. Nice and clean. Nice. It's off now. All right, man. The comments leave below. Please subscribe. And I hope you like my stuff. You know, I don't get paid for anything with reviews or anything. It's just my hobby. I'm not a pro. Everything comes straight out of the amp. I'm using a head rush for the music. I don't use the microphones or anything. So anything you hear is coming out. Doesn't, you know, sounds better in person, of course, but you don't have any computer technology, nothing making it sound perfect. So, you know, a lot of these videos you watch, I mean, everything sounds so perfect, and then, you know, you buy some, whatever, it doesn't sound like it, because, you know, it's going through all kinds of interfaces and all this kind of stuff. But this is right out of the amp, straight out, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Thank you.